Welcome to the channel. Today we will guide you through connecting your Instagram account to your Flickr profile. This video will help you link the two accounts quickly so you can share your Instagram content on Flickr easily and enhance your online presence. First, open the Flickr app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top of the screen. Then, select About from the available options. After that, locate the Instagram option and tap on it. You will see a field to enter your Instagram account username. Carefully type in your username. Once you have entered the correct information, click on the Done button at the top right corner to save your changes. Finally, your Instagram account will now be linked to your Flickr profile. You can now display your Instagram handle for other users to see, making it easier for your followers to find you on both platforms. This connection also helps keep your social media accounts more integrated and accessible. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.